you. And girl, you look cute.
Gosh, man.
Me like how you work with the fire. I forget your body, what up.
Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about this makeup look. I wanted to just kind of step out of my comfort zone a little bit, and I was inspired by this blue eyeshadow that I got a while back from Black Up Cosmetics. Alright, so all the details about Black Up Cosmetics and all the products that I use will be left in the description bar below. Also, if you guys are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like the video, and comment below, let me know what you guys think about the look. I also have a hair tutorial for this hairstyle right here, and that will also be linked in the description bar below. I love you guys so much. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah. So guys, look who is here. Totally almost forgot to tell you guys, if you're following me on Instagram, you would know already. So if you're not following me on there, go ahead and follow me on IG. It's NaturallyMsToya. She was due the 16th, but she came the 1st. So yeah, she's already here, guys. You guys will be introduced to her very soon. Yeah, so let's just jump into the video. For brows, I'm using this brown eyeliner from Jordana Cosmetics. I'm just using that dark brown liner to fill in my brows, and I'm cleaning those up with my LA Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. To prime my lids, I'm going in with this Jordana eyeshadow primer. I was actually looking for my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, couldn't find it. This was the next best thing. I wanted something that was white so that the blue would pop, so I'm just applying that all over my lid and also on my lower lash line. Then I'm going in with Ginger, this pressed powder from Milani. I'm just sweeping a little bit of that into my crease for a bit of a transition color. Now I'm taking the blue eyeshadow. As I said, this is from Black Up Cosmetics. It's their matte blue eyeshadow in the color 11M. I'm just packing that all over my lid, and I'm going to blend that also into my crease with a Coastal Scents blending brush, just to make those eyes pop as much as I can. To set my brow bone, I'm taking this Covergirl translucent powder in medium, and I'm just applying that up there. And then I'm taking this eyeliner from LA Girl. It's their Endless eyeliner in the color Midnight Blue, and I'm applying that to my lower lash line. And onto my waterline, I'm taking this Jordana eyeliner in Sterling Blue and applying that. And then I'm taking this copper color, the one circled. I'm taking that one from my Miss Doozy palette, putting that into my tear duct, and on top of that I'm going to put this liquid glitter that I have had for the longest time. I'm just going to put that on top of the copper eyeshadow. Onto the face, I'm moisturizing today with my Loreal Sublime Glow Moisturizer in medium. I love the fact that this gives me a nice subtle glow under my foundation, so I'm just going in with that. For primer, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Coverall primer, and I'm just applying that to the skin right on top of my moisturizer, and I'm going to allow that to dry. For foundation today, I'm using my L'Oreal True Match. This color is called N9 Mahagony. Haven't used this one for a while, but I absolutely love the finish that it gives. To highlight, I'm taking my LA Girl Pro, same one that I use for my brows, and I'm blending that out with my damp beauty blender sponge. I'm going to set those areas with the same translucent powder that I use for my brows, the Covergirl translucent powder in medium. Now to contour, I'm using my favorite contour product. It's the Black Up Cosmetics contouring stick. This shade is in number 3, and I'm just taking that all around my face just to kind of bronze up my face a bit. And I'm going to blend that out, of course, with my damp beauty blender.
Smoke and kill beats like I'm a job.
Now I'm just dusting away the excess powder, and I'm setting my face with the same Ginger from Milani. Now I'm adding a bit of blush. This is the LA Colors blush in Natural, just for a bit of color on the cheeks. And now I'm gonna highlight and glow up with the Copper Excess eyeshadow from Milani.
So if me drop a jail, me still a go lucky place. Big dreams in a me castle brain. Tell bounce to the beat, I have the modest bass. Weed that me feel like me a travel space.
Now for lips, I'm using MAC's Chestnut liner on my lips, and I'm gonna go on top of that with this gloss from Black Up Cosmetics, and the color is number 2. It's just a nice peach gloss, and that's gonna be what I'm gonna finish off the lips with. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy. As I said, don't forget to check out this hair tutorial. It will be linked in the description bar below, as well as all the products that I used. Again, thanks guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
By the way, the sample is mine. Look up the track and play. Make a few songs every other day.